Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pixie MUA and in this video I create this fall autumn look. I'm sorry that I've actually missed some uploads. I've not been very well, so yeah, I've missed them. I haven't been well, I haven't been able to film, but I'm getting there. So yeah, I thought I really needed to get something out for this evening. So hopefully I can get this edited and uploaded on time. We'll see. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. I've had a ton of new subscribers. I'm now over 400 subscribers, which I know sounds teeny tiny to a lot of people, but for me that is such a big achievement. Like, I remember getting 100 subscribers and I was like, how have I got 100 subscribers? It's insane. I've decided I'm going to do a giveaway once I get to 500 subscribers. So if you're not already and you want to be in with a chance of winning some makeup goodies, then just hit that subscribe button down below. I will be doing a giveaway video sometime in the next few weeks, just showing you guys what you're going to be getting. It's going to be some of my favourites. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and that will have all the rules in. But if you would like to see how I actually got this look today, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've obviously come in a little bit closer because I'm going to be starting with my eyes. As you can see, I've got all of my makeup on. All of the makeup that I'm wearing I will link down below so you can see obviously what I have on my face already. So today I'm going to be using the Roxi X Revolution palette. This is the Colour Burst palette. Now I do have a review for the palette on my channel, so I will leave that linked up in the clickable eye, whichever side that is. Yeah, so if you did already see that video, I was slightly disappointed with it. I did like it a little bit, but some of the shadows actually disappointed me. They weren't quite as bright as they were, but I have used this palette since and I did actually really enjoy it. So I thought actually we could create a more wearable look with it, so obviously like an autumn toned look, as there are actually some shadows in here that you could use for like autumn kind of tones, and yeah, you don't just have to do something colourful with it. And yeah, I thought I would just give this palette obviously another chance. So to begin with, I'm going to go in with this colour here called Timmy, and I'm just going to pop that all over the lids as usual. So as it's autumn, I'm going to go for quite a warm toned feel. So I actually think I'm going to go in with the shade Lemonade to begin with, and I'm going to pop that through the crease. Now that actually looks nicely pigmented. And I'm just running that under the eye as well. Sorry, I forgot to tell you what a good YouTuber I am. Okay, and so then next in the crease, I'm going to pop the colour Bang Bang here, which is just the orange shade from the palette. And again, I'm just going to run that through the crease, just using that same brush that I have just cleaned off. And you know, actually, I think this orange is like the perfect autumn kind of orange colour, especially mixed in with the yellow. I think it just looks like really pretty colours. And then as always, I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just sort of work around the edges. Okay, and then I'm going to do sort of like a halo eye. So I'm going to start going in with the shade Red Velvet, which is this lovely red kind of colour. And I'm going to take it on this double-ended brush. So it's like quite dense on this side and then just fluffy here, just so I can start blending it out. Obviously, you just use the brushes that you have. And then just twisting it around and pressing it into the lower lash line. And I'm just going to keep working it up. I'm going to keep adding pigment and blending. Okay, and then just steeping the whole thing up, I'm going to go in with this shade here, this cocoa shade. It's just like a really deep brown. And that's going to go on my pencil brush, and I'm sort of just going to start popping that into that outer corner. Again, just on another fluffy brush, just a tiny bit to just sort of blend a little and really just deepen that outside corner. and also taking it along the lower lash line. Okay, and then I actually think I'm going to go in with a mix of Golden Hour and Constellations as well, just on the centre of that eyelid. Okay, I'm going to go in with a damp flat brush with Golden Hour. That colour is absolutely stunning, can you see? And then again, just clean that brush off, same brush, damp. I'm going in with Constellation just in the very centre. Give it a more dimensional shape. It's quite a bit fallout with this palette, I have noticed. So I need to clear that up there and there, as you can see. Okay, and then just taking that brush with the red on and just sort of blending the edges where that gold is. Okay, like so, and for once I'm actually not going to put any eyeliner on. I know. Shock horror. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and pop on some mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, so that is the mascara on. I'm actually using the Primark False Lash Effect Mascara. It's so good. I think I mentioned this in like either last video or the video before, I can't remember. Oh my god, this mascara is so good, and it's like, I don't know, I'm sure it's like £2 or it's under a £5 anyway, which I just think is absolutely incredible, especially for like this kind of quality eyeliner. So I'm actually going to pair it with like quite a dark colour, because I just love autumn and like all like the berry colours, and I feel like these kind of colours are good for autumn. We'll see if it suits the lips, so you know, this could be a disaster. Okay, we'll carry on. I'm going to be using this Morphe lip liner in the shade Heckle, and then I'm going to use the Lottie London Slay All Day lip colour in Vibes, and I love these. Did I use one of these in my last? Anyway, I got like 11, no, I got 8 for £11, and they should have been like, I don't know, like £49. My friend got an A2 offer anyway and told me about it, and yeah, so I got these. So I'm going to pair them together. They're quite a pretty good colour match. I'm just going to take my lip balm off, otherwise it's never going to stick. That's a little bit more purple than I thought it was going to be. Oh, let's see if this actually darkens it up a little bit. So does anyone else get that? That's sometimes like a lip liner can look a certain colour and then you put it on and it's completely different to what you think it's going to be. Like that was really, really purple, so I kind of wish that I hadn't used the lip liner, but never mind. I really like the colour. I mean, I like the colour of that lip liner, but I really like the colour of this Lottie London liquid lipstick, and I wear these lipsticks quite often and they do stay on. I wore the red on a night out and it was brilliant. It didn't come off at all. Like I got no smudges or anything like that. So yeah, pretty happy with this lip colour if I'm honest. So anyway, let me give you a proper close-up of the look. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this autumn fall kind of look. Autumn is my favourite time of year, followed by winter. From like October 31st, obviously Halloween, to the run up to like Christmas and New Year, it's like my absolute favourite time. I always think there's like loads of fun stuff going on. I hate hot weather. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I hate it. Look how pale I am. Literally, I'm not built for the hot weather, so I feel like I can legitimately say it's too hot. You know, like when everyone moans in summer and I'm like, you've been wanting it hot all year. I can moan because I never want it hot. I am in my element when it starts getting cold and you can like wrap up and all that kind of stuff. I really hope you liked this autumn fall kind of look. In my next few videos we're going to start doing some Halloween looks. I'm so excited because I've got a few things planned, and yeah, so I'm going to do some SFX looks, but I'm also going to do some more like glam Halloween kind of looks, because I always feel like there's always a lot of SFX looks and not everyone's going to be doing that kind of look all the time. So yeah, I'm going to do some more glam kind of looks, kind of like my first ever video, which is absolutely terrible. I'm not even gonna link it. If you want to watch that god awful video, you can go find it yourselves. I am whispering at the camera, my audio's horrendous. Yeah, but I might kind of create a look like that. So I might even do actually reacting to my first ever video, and it was a glam Halloween look, so yeah, I can recreate that. But if you did like this video, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up just down below, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed. It means the world to me to have you guys here, and also just hit the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload. But thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!